Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, I am continuing coding and decoding with a different model. Here, the digit is given and its code is given. Digits are 0 to 9 and codes are letters given. And below that, some conditions are given. You have to read each and every condition carefully. Why? Because total we have 5 conditions. Read each and every condition carefully. If the first digit is even, last digit is odd. First is even, last is odd, then both are coded as dollar and at the rate respectively. And next, first digit is odd and last digit is even, then both are coded as hash and euro respectively. If 0 is preceded as well as followed by odd digit, 0 is preceded as well as followed by odd digit, then if it is like this, then 0 is coded as upward arrow. 0 is coded as upward arrow and 0 is coded as downward arrow if it is followed and preceded by even. Followed as well as preceded by even, then it is coded as a downward arrow, right? And one more thing is 0 is to be not considered either even or odd. We already know that 0 is neither even number nor odd number. We should not consider 0 is even number or else odd number. Now let's see the questions based on the given questions, given table as well as conditions. Read the question. What is the code for? What will be the code for 36250098? Here first one is odd number, second last one is even number. If first is odd, last is even, then it is to be coded as both are coded as hash and euro. Hash and euro, right? Both are coded as hash and euro. Okay. And next, remaining as per the table, 6 is equal to R. Next, 2 is equal to F. Next, 5, 5 is equal to L. 0 is equal to T. And next, 9 is equal to G. 9 is equal to G. This is our required answer. Hash and last one is euro. So, only one option, I think only option C is there. Once checked out, hash and euro, R, F, L, T, T, G. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. Here first one is odd, last one is 0. First one is odd and last one is 0. We don't know whether last one is even or odd. Why? Because we should not consider 0 is either even number or else odd number. So as we don't know for last one is even or odd, we should not take either first condition or second condition or else third condition, fourth condition. So whenever it happens, you have to write down their codes as it is without any hesitation. There should not be any condition applied for this question. So you can eliminate option B, you can eliminate option C, you can eliminate option D. We have only option A left over, which consisting of all the letters, that is called as direct coding. There should not be any kind of symbols in that. Why? Because we are not applying any condition for this question. Why? Because we don't know the units digit. We don't know about units digit, whether it is even number or odd number. So that is the reason why it is direct coding. Once check it out whether it is option A or not. As none of these option is there, that is the reason why I am checking now. Here 1 is equal to D. Next 3 is equal to H. 7. 7 is equal to N. After that 5. 5 is equal to L. And next 4 is equal to Q. Next 9 is equal to G. And 0 is equal to T. This is the answer. D, H, N, L, Q, G, T. Option A is the right answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. See here. First one is 7, last one is 6. It means first one is odd number. First one is odd and last one is, first one is odd and last one is even. So both are coded as hash and euro, hash and euro, right? And here it is remaining, if you see 0 is there, 0 is preceded as well as followed by even number. So 0 is, whenever 0 is preceded as well as followed by even digit, then it is to be coded with down arrow. It is to be coded with down arrow. Now, you can eliminate option B. Why? Because first one must be hash. You can eliminate option D also. Now, there is no down arrow in option C. You can eliminate option C also. So, only possible answer is this one. Once check it out. 6 is equal to what? R. Next, 2 is equal to. 2 is equal to F. And next, after that, 4 is equal to 4 and 8. Q and P. Q and P. This is the answer for this question. Hash, RF, down arrow, QP and euro. Option A is the right answer for this question. Last question. Here directly code is given. Directly code is given. We need to find the number for that. Here first one is dollar and last one is at the rate. It means that definitely condition 1 applied. According to condition 1, first digit is even, last digit is odd. Once check it out, which options having first digit is even, last digit is odd. Here first and last both are even, you can eliminate option A. Here first and last both are even, you can eliminate option C. And here it is first digit is even, last digit is odd. You can stay with this. And first digit is even, last digit is 1. You can stay with this. And now one more. Upward arrow is there. Upward arrow indicates that what? Upward arrow indicates that whenever 0 is preceded and followed by odd digit. Here 0 is preceded and followed by odd digit. Here in this case 0 followed by odd but not preceded by odd. So you can eliminate this one also. But here 0 followed by odd, preceded by odd. There is a chance of getting this answer. Here 6 is equal to, first digit is even, last digit is odd. Therefore, first and last becomes dollar and euro. First and last both are dollar and euro, right? And next one, here 4. 4 is equal to what? Once check it out, 4 is equal to what? Q. Second one is Q. Next 7. 7 is equal to N. 7 is equal to N. And next one is 5. 5 is equal to, 5 is equal to what? L. 5 is equal to L. And next 0. Here 0 is nothing but it is preceded and followed by odd digit. Therefore, it must be upward arrow. Next 3 is equal to, what is 3? H. And next here it is 1 is already done, that is euro. So once check it out, dollar QR, but here R means 6, but it is given as 7, but it is given as 7. Option D is also wrong answer. So your answer should be option E. Exact answer is this one, dollar QNL, upward arrow, H and euro. This is the correct answer. This is a code, right? And if you want to write down separately, here in place of R, if it is N, then the answer becomes option D is the correct answer. But here it is given as dollar QR. So your answer becomes none of this. Option D is the right answer. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.